Are you tired from sleepless nights, tormented by excessive snoring? Snore Guard by Dr. Jeffrey Montgomery of Huntington Beach is your seamless solution. Our non-noisy, no electricity needed device can point the way to silent nights. Enjoy the feel of waking up fully rested after a serene sleep. It's a game changer. My husband doesn't snore anymore, says our satisfied customer Grace. It's time. Call us now at 714-842-2549 and stop the snoring tonight. Act now. Give the gift of snore-free nights, and both you and your spouse will thank us. Dr. Jeffrey Montgomery is your answer to reducing excessive snoring. The key to reducing excessive snoring and achieving healthier sleep tonight is a custom-fitted Snore Guard by Dr. Montgomery. Call us today at 714-842-2549. Experience restful nights and healthier sleep starting tonight.